In MarketDirect StoreFront 11.4, we're very excited to bring to market our new SmartCanvas InDesign plugin. Most of our customers who are creating print documents that eventually get sold through MarketDirect StoreFront start the design process using Adobe InDesign. So while SmartCanvas is an incredibly powerful tool, at times it requires our customers to recreate InDesign files within the SmartCanvas application. And as you can imagine, having to redesign or recreate any print document can be a timely and sometimes even frustrating process. So to cut down on this time and create a more seamless user experience for our StoreFront and SmartCanvas customers, we've developed this plugin that installs directly into Adobe InDesign that allows our customers to export their InDesign artwork and then import that file into SmartCanvas, where for image and text fields that have been set to variable using the plugin, designers can continue to manipulate and edit those elements directly in the SmartCanvas application. So again, our goal with the plugin is to make a more seamless and efficient process for our customers, and we certainly think that the plugin does this in 11.4. So I'm going to switch over to Adobe InDesign now and show you how the plugin works within InDesign, and then we'll also demonstrate how to import the zip package into SmartCanvas. So you can see here I have an InDesign document with a pretty standard business card. On page 1 of the business card, you can see our StoreFront Realty logo, which is just an image. And on page 2, you can see the name, job title, and contact information for our sample employee, along with an headshot image and a background image. So the first thing you'll notice after installing the plugin InDesign is at the top, you'll see that we have a new option called EFI SmartCanvas. And this is the tool we will use to eventually export our document to that zip package. For now, I want to use the plugin to set my text and image elements as either variable or static. When I set these to static, it's going to import them into SmartCanvas as a flat PDF, meaning they can't be edited or manipulated. They're just static within SmartCanvas. If I set it to a variable element, it's going to allow me to continue to edit and manipulate that asset within SmartCanvas. So anything we want to continue to edit, we want to mark as variable. Anything that can remain flat can be marked as static. So on page 1 here, I have my logo for StoreFront Realty. This is something I really don't need to continue designing within SmartCanvas. I think I can just keep it as a flat layer. So I'm going to first left-click on the image itself, and then I'm going to right-click to bring open my panel. And you'll notice at the very bottom, our plugin has added 2 options, one for static image, one for variable image. Because I want to keep this as a static layer, I'm going to keep the checkmark static and simply click out. But if I scroll down to the second page, I have some image and text elements that I probably want to mark as variable because I'm going to want to edit them within SmartCanvas. So if I left-click on my headshot image and then right-click, instead of setting this as static, I'm now going to set this as a variable image. And same goes for my text box here. I'm going to left-click and then right-click. And instead of having this be a static text box, I'm going to mark this as a variable text box. The last thing I need to worry about is my background image. So again, if I click on the background image and right-click, you'll notice it's by default set to static, and I'm going to keep that for this example here. So once I've gone through this process for all of my text and image elements, I'm going to first save my file. And then using the menu item at the top, I'm going to click EFI SmartCanvas and then Export. I'm going to save this within my, my file manager. We'll just call this Demo SmartCanvas Plugin. Click Save. And this little message here tells me that my export has been completed. Great. So now I'm done in InDesign, and I'm ready to import that zip package into SmartCanvas. So I'm going to go to my web browser and go to MarketDirect Storefront. I've already logged in as an administrator, so from my home page, I'm going to go down to the SmartCanvas section and click on Manage SmartCanvas Templates. I'm going to go ahead and create a new design template, and we'll give this a name. Description, and we'll go ahead and create that template. Once InDesign, SmartCanvas opens, I have my blank canvas here. And the first thing I want to do is go to File, and you'll notice that a new menu item has been added in 11.4 to this panel. So we now have an option for Import EFI InDesign File. So I'm going to select this option. In the pop-up window here, we have some instructions for users that are seeing this or using the plugin for the first time. So if they haven't installed or downloaded the plugin already, this will point them to that static page to do so. Since I've already installed my plugin and I'm using it within InDesign already, I can simply go to the bottom and click Import EFI InDesign File. I'm going to go to my Downloads folder, and I'm going to select on the zip package that I just saved. And you can see that my InDesign file and artwork has now successfully imported into SmartCanvas. We have the first page with my StoreFront Realty logo. You can see that it is just a layer within the document. So I can certainly move this. I can resize it, but there's nothing design-wise or editing-wise that I can do, because remember, this is a static element that I've assigned with the plugin. If I scroll down to page 2 and I unlock these layers, I can click on my headshot here, and you can see that I can edit this in SmartCanvas like I would any other image that I would have created. So besides moving it or resizing it, I can come over to the layout panel and I can adjust that image however I feel is necessary. Same thing goes for the text box. So if I click on my text box here, again, I set this to the variable using my plugin when working in InDesign. I can click on the edit button there, and I can continue to edit the text. I can change the font. And again, using the text and layout options within my design panel in SmartCanvas, I can continue to manipulate or edit this text box just like I could normally do in SmartCanvas. So hopefully this demonstration gives you a really nice overview of not only why we built the SmartCanvas InDesign plugin, but how it works within the SmartCanvas application